Are you tired of the same old routine of walking and feeling achy? It sounds like you need a boost, quite literally. We present to you the best mobility scooters that whisk you away from the mundane and into the fast lane of independence. Whether you're zipping past the neighbor who always barbecues too early or racing down the grocery aisle for those elusive snack deals, a mobility scooter is your ticket to freedom. Join us as we sift through the options and find the perfect ride. Because life is too short to be stuck in one place. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Vive 3-Wheel, our pick for best budget mobility scooter. The Vive 3-Wheel mobility scooter is your new best friend that's here to serve up freedom without a hefty price tag. Imagine effortlessly gliding through your neighborhood while feeling like $1,000,000, minus the expense. This electric mobility gem pairs affordability with top-notch functionality, making it the budget-friendly choice for those who refuse to be confined by constraints. Whether you're zipping to the grocery store or exploring the great outdoors, those durable motor and flat-free tires will have you conquering any terrain with a grin. With a weight capacity of 265 pounds and the ability to reach speeds of 3.7 miles per hour, you'll turn heads while cruising at your own pace. Plus, with a travel range of up to 12.4 miles on a single charge, daily adventures are just a ride away. Comfort? Oh, you bet! The cushy swivel seat and adjustable height armrests mean you'll feel like royalty while you roll. And when it's time to hit the road, fear not. The Vive easily disassembles into 4 lightweight pieces, with the heaviest weighing in at just 29 pounds. And yes, it fits snugly in most trunks, so spontaneous road trips are totally on the table. With an intuitive tiller console for easy speed control and headlight action, you'll be the captain of your own mobility ship. So why wait? Grab the Vive 3-Wheel mobility scooter and take the wheel of your adventures today. Number 4. iLiving i3, our pick for best lightweight mobility scooter. The iLiving i3 is your new travel buddy that weighs just 53 pounds and is crafted from tough-as-nails aircraft-grade aluminum. With its feather-light frame, you'll be zip-zapping through airports like a pro, folding it up in 3 simple steps. Whether you're stashing it in the overhead bin or rolling it right to the gate, this scooter has TSA approval stamped on its sleek frame. Now, let's talk mileage. The iLiving i3 can cruise up to 14 miles per charge on a snazzy rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can order a second battery for a total of 28 miles. Sure, its top speed of 2 to 4 miles per hour might not earn you a spot on NASCAR, but who needs speed when you can enjoy comfort and style at every leisurely turn? Speaking of comfort, the newest models boast a plush, 17-inch wide seat that feels like sitting on a cloud. Oh, and did we mention the LED lights and the USB charging port? That's right, you can illuminate your path, signal your stops, and keep your devices charged while you scoot around. Plus, the battery panel is easy to read, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. With adjustable height on the tiller, it's designed for everyone. Because let's face it, everyone deserves an easy ride. Still searching for the perfect mobility scooter? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it! Number 3. Vive Health 4-Wheel, our pick for best mobility scooter for travel. The Vive 4-Wheel scooter is a stylish chariot designed for those who crave ultimate mobility. Picture this. Whether you're gliding through your favorite park or navigating the crowded aisles of an airport, this scooter has your back. Weighing in at a feather-light 29 pounds per piece, it's a breeze to break down into 5 parts, making it TSA approved for all your jet-setting adventures. Let's talk power. With 2 robust 12-volt batteries at your disposal, you can cruise for up to 12.4 miles on a single charge, 6.2 miles per battery. Need a pit stop? No problem. You can charge those batteries both at home and on the go. And don't worry about a complicated control panel. The Vibe's intuitive console keeps it simple while still offering a horn to make your presence known. Comfort is key, and the Vibe delivers with a cushy, height-adjustable 15.75-inch seat that holds up to 265 pounds. The swivel feature makes hopping on and off a piece of cake, while the padded, adjustable armrests are ready to flip up when you need them to. Think of this scooter as your trusty sidekick, ready to accompany you on all your adventures. So, if you're on the hunt for a travel scooter that combines fun with functionality, look no further. The Vibe is your perfect match. Number 2, Lagtom 800-watt 4-wheel, our pick for best heavy-duty mobility scooter. The Lagtom is the snazzy 4-wheeled mobility scooter that's like a Vespa's cooler cousin, only with extra wheels and a lot more swag. Yes, you read that right. And for those who fancy a 3-wheel ride, we've got you covered with the same sleek specs. Now, let's talk about fun on the road. This electric beauty boasts 3 variable speeds, letting you cruise from a leisurely 1 mile per hour to a zippy 18 miles per hour. And with a range of 25 to 31 miles on a single charge, you can channel your inner speed demon without stopping for a pit stop. Just be prepared. At 366 pounds, this bad boy is a non-portable powerhouse. But hey, it can handle a whopping 500 pounds, so pack your snacks. You'll feel like a boss gliding through terrain with 2 large front tires and rear anti-tip wheels equipped with shock absorbers. Just remember, tight corners might require a little extra planning. This one has a turning radius wider than your great aunt's favorite sweater. Equipped with a locking glove compartment, an anti-theft alarm, and all the lights and bells, this scooter is your ticket to smooth sailing. With its 800-watt transaxle electric motor, the Lagtom isn't just fast, it's ready for anything. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Glashow S3, our pick for best mobility scooter overall. If you're on the hunt for a mobility scooter that hits all the right notes without getting stuck in one particular lane, let us introduce you to the Glashow Mobility Scooter S3. Imagine a trusty sidekick that folds up faster than your plans to hit the gym, and it's lightweight enough to stow away in your trunk without turning into a game of Tetris. Now, let's talk mileage. This bad boy can cruise up to a remarkable 25 miles on a single charge. Whether you're meandering through your neighborhood, tackling those pesky gravel roads that seem to multiply, or navigating the thrills and spills of a theme park, the Glashow scooter has your back. But wait, there's more. Safety is its middle name. Okay, not really, but it should be. With raisable armrests, a seat equipped with a safety sensor, reflective strips to keep you visible, and rear anti-tippers that make sure you stay upright. And it's like having a safety net built right into your ride. Sure, it may not be the ultra-portable darling of the scooter world, but it knows how to keep you comfortable and secure on your journeys. So strap on that helmet, grab your favorite beverage, and prepare to roll in style. Independence just got a stylish makeover. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best mobility scooter. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which mobility scooter you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.